Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're making garlic Parmesan chicken. It's real quick, real simple. One thawed chicken breast. I had more thawed chicken breast, but I used them on a different recipe. Gotta get yourself some paper towels. Dry it off a bit. You're gonna take a fork, poke a bunch of holes in it, both sides. Get some parquet. Cover it in parquet the best you can. Take some garlic powder. Sprinkle it on as much as you like or as little as you like. If you don't like it, well, this recipe is probably not going to be for you. Go ahead, put the lid on the container, stick it in the fridge overnight. Okay, it's been a little over 24 hours. There's our chicken. Now what you're going to do, Parmesan, Romano cheese. I know the recipe's called garlic Parmesan, but just kind of go with it. Flip it over. Get it in there. Maybe. There we go. Now I did spray that with olive oil. We're going to let that go a couple minutes, literally just a couple minutes. We're going to turn it. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. We're going to turn it. It just makes it look prettier, I think, to be honest with you. And I guess it does kind of help cook if things are uneven in there with the pan and the chicken being lopsided. We're going to give it a couple more minutes. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. We're going to take it off, put it on a plate. Then we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes. Now what this is really good with is if you get some pasta, you put it on top of your pasta, maybe put a little sauce on there, some mozzarella or something, whatever, you know. Or make it into a sandwich. Get like some green peppers, some marinara sauce. Again, maybe some fresh mozzarella, you know, whatever. But we cooked this approximately 4 minutes, letting it rest for 4. You don't want to cut it right away because all the juices will come out and it'll be dry. Trust me, leave it sit for about 2 minutes. Okay, real quick, simple, easy, tasty, smell good recipe. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.